Hello, my name is Ilona Scholten. I'm from Holland and I work with horses. I'm a groom. I take care of the horses. Today I'm gonna show you how I take care of my horses and how I'm working with together with the rider. And I hope you enjoy it. I just took his head collar off so he can eat nice again and nice relax in the box. They have to know, they listen to the voice. Sometimes you have to say he has to do a good job in arena. He has to jump really well. And then he has to listen, of course, because the result is important. He likes to play a little bit. It's fun. So important also for the rider. The horse has to be fine and feeling fit and healthy. And you have to make sure that he's alright and he gets everything what he needs. Lekker. He really likes that. He likes the carrots. Like 10 carrots every meal I give him. And then sometimes in between I give him like 2 or 3, like a cookie in between, because they really like it. And then you have a little bit their attention as well. Then I'm spoiling them a little bit, but they know. But now they look fine, so I'm gonna take a look outside, see some friends or talk with other people, and then later I come back for handwork and I will feed them again. So that's it. Bye bye. Yo. Bye bye.